Hi guys! What is the best business in the 2018? What kind of the business to start to make really incredible money? Do you want to know? So come on, just watch this video.
Hey! Let's go!
Alright guys, so if you're watching this video right now, so you are on the right place, because right now you will discover how to start to make money online in the 2018 and what is the best company. The best company, guys, of course, is the Be Epic company. Be Epic with our great products, Elevate and Accelerate. Elevate we have right here, Accelerate we're waiting right now, and will be the Accelerate announced on the airline channel, so you will see everything by your eyes, how it's look like, what the results you can get with that, and will be really incredible information about all of that, how to start to make that business and what exactly to do. Just I want to tell you, for the people who searching for the business right now, if you're searching for the easy and simple business, so the Be Epic, it's absolutely for you, because here all you need just share and recommend our products, our services, that's what we're doing, everything here guys, everything about the Be Epic right now is really great, because we have all of our products, it's really incredible. For example, Elevate guys, it's a mix of the super adaptogen with the herbal blend, with the full food nutrition, plus massive energizers. Of course, also we have here a lot of the supplements which help us to grow. It's help us to grow guys, because we have the really powerful supplements right now in our arm. We have the products which unique you, and you cannot find it something like that in other companies. That's why we can dominate the world with this kind of the opportunity like Be Epic guys. And of course the Be Epic is the really powerful company. I think in the 2018-2019 will be explode of the Be Epic, because a lot of the people they join every day us from the different kind of the countries. And right now is your chance to join, because every time we have the new people in our company, if you still didn't make the registration, all the links will be in the description. The registration is free guys, so you can take the best place right now by clicking join the business right now, and just to start to make the business with us. Also, all the contacts will be in the description, all the links in the description. All you need, just get the information, just understand how to do it, just contact me if you didn't understand something, and start to make this business best. This is the best business ever guys. I want to tell you that Be Epic will make the explode in the 2018 and 2019. It will be the best business just in the world, worldwide, because we have the worldwide opportunity. You can join, for example, if you live in Nigeria, or you live in Uganda, maybe any African countries, also any European countries, America. All the countries is involved. If you have the strong desire to start to make the business with us, even if your country not in the list, we can help you to ship the product to you. And if you really wants to be the leader in your country, we're helping you to start to grow, because we're searching for the strong individuals who will start to make the business guys. And this is really absolutely incredible, because we are just beginning. This is just the beginning of the Be Epic in the 2018 guys. Really, I'm telling you honestly. Also guys, I want to tell you a few words about why I joined the Be Epic company, why I choose this company, and why I recommend this company for everybody who wants to start to make his own business. Because in the 2017, when I was searching for the company, I was searching for the company online, how to start to make the money, and I found the many companies of the network marketing, and I started to type in for that people. I started to call them, ask them about the information, how to join, what to do, and many of them they didn't answer to me. Many of them didn't reply. And some of the company, it's look like scam or something like that, because if the person he is not reply you for the 2 weeks after that, he see your message and he start to talk with you, it's not normal, right? And what is the really incredible, when I type the message to the Larry Lane from the Hollywood, California, this guy, just imagine, he's the millionaire, he already a long time in the network marketing, he answered to me immediately. He said, if you want to join, I can help you with everything. We have this compensation plan, we have this kind of the products, you will like everything. Here's my support 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week. Of course, in that time, just I got it, this is my company. This is my company, because this guy, Larry Lane from the Hollywood, California, he is just really incredible, because this kind of the person I never meet in my life. He helped with everything, he already a long time in the network marketing, he have a lot of the experience. And here's the millionaire. He's the millionaire guys, and this is what I need. So just I choose this company because of this Superman, this leader, Larry Lane from the Hollywood, California. Of course, because of the incredible products like Elevate, and soon will be announced on the airline channel, will be the Accelerate product guys. Just will be really incredible news on the airline channel. So Just that's why I joined this company, and that's why I see that everything is possible here. So if you have the strong desire to start to make incredible business, so that 2018 and the Be Epic company is really that what you were searching for. All the links in the description, how to join the business, what exactly to do, also my contacts there in the description. So all you need, just contact me and I will help you. I will provide you all the information. If you didn't understand something, just start to grow. Start to grow and everything will be, my friends, because all you need, just believe in that what you're doing. It was Team Wider, and I will see you soon in the really cool new videos.
Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come.